Today we're here to talk about the TopGreener replacement receptacle. It has ability to power two normal household devices, but the cool part is it's got built-in USB 3.0, 2.4 amps, and you can plug in two USB items as well as, like I said, the two normal household items that you would plug into it. This here has 2.4 amps for both of the plugs. USB 3.0. It has a smart chip inside, so if you plug a USB wire into the device and you only need 1 amp, that's what you'll get, the 1 amp. It won't hurt your device with giving it too much amperage. But you definitely have 2.4 amps to do the quick charging for devices that can take it. So this is the best bargain that we found, and if you go to your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever, you're probably going to find that you can get just one for about 30 bucks. Here's a 2-pack that we found on Amazon. We'll give you the link below in the description. You get 2 of them in a box like this for 30 bucks. So it's basically like half price of what you'll find at your big box store. I've already installed one. We bought 4 of these, so we got the box for 2 here. I've still got this one here left. We're going to show you how to install this. But let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you what's inside. The neat thing about it is not only the technology we just talked about, but a lot of them out there on the market don't come with a faceplate. This here has the faceplate with it. Let's see, I'll get it into the camera there a little bit. And it's nice looking. So if we turn it over on the back, for this particular type of outlet, it doesn't have built-in wires that come out, 8 inches and require you to take the wires from your wall, attach it to the wires that come out of here and twist them together and pigtail it with a wire nut, which I really like the fact that this one has the screws on the side. So you'll plug your white wire in, your black wire in, and then you'll put your ground in, and then just by tightening your screw, it holds it into the back. So screw on each side, one here, and on the bottom, there's where your ground goes. So for 30 bucks, you get 2 of them. We got 4. We're going to put them throughout the house and just upgrade things to be really useful. So let's get to it and show you how to install this. Okay, so the first thing we did is went out and we turned off the power at the breaker. I plugged in a night light to make sure that the power's out. Got the little sensor on the front. Obviously, it's not on. Had the wife check it while I flipped the breaker. The light was on. Light goes out when you flip the breaker. You're good to go. If you're not sure how to do anything electrical, don't do it. Get a professional. I've done enough of this. I'm comfortable with it. But if you're not, definitely don't. So I'm going to take the new plug, new receptacle rather, so I get it in the camera view, and it's got a yellow tab here on the end. We're going to just pop it off by putting the screwdriver in the end. Takes the plate off of it. It's neat that it doesn't have any visible screws on it when you're done installing. It just pops right on. Comes in the box just like this. So you got your plate. Now we're ready to install this. So first let's take the old one out. Got a screw on the top, screw on the bottom. And like we were saying, there's a black, there's a white, and there's our copper. So we got 2 black, 2 white, copper. We're just going to cut these loose and put them into the back of this new one. Bring it up here where you can see it. Two wires will fit here. 2 wires will fit there. Ground goes on the bottom. First we're going to get the side cutters and free up this plug. Okay, so let's cut this loose. Now we just need to bare some wire here. Use our wire pliers. Okay, so if you can see that, I'll move the camera here just a little bit. 2 white, 2 black. let's hook it up. As I was saying on the new receptacle, it gives you the colors right here on the back. So on the new plug, we'll notice that it says hot, black, right here. Not sure if you can pick that up here on the camera, but it's hot, black. And this one here says white, neutral. So our white go here, our black go here. Black. Take either Phillips or a standard screwdriver. Make sure they're into the hole tight and tighten. Other two wires. Both of those white wires in, tighten them down. And if you look at this, have a tiny TR at the top and a TR at the bottom, so you can put this either way in the wall, you know, however you want to flip it. I like to have it this way with the ground aiming downward. So now the last thing we need to do, take our ground wire, give a little bend here, and we're going to put it on that green colored screw. Just like to give it on there good tight. Okay, so now the only thing left to do is to push it back into the wall, into that box. Now let's line up this bottom one. And make sure it looks straight on the wall. Don't over tighten. Take our news plate, put it over the top, snaps right on. Let's back up, get a different angle of that. Once you put the plate on top, get a nice clean install. Place for two power items, two USB 3.0 items. Okay, do we have power? There's our night light. So we do have power. So for the last piece, we just plugged a couple things into the outlet here. We've got a light, we've got our night light on, and both of these are the USB ports, just to show you that they're accessible while a couple things are plugged in. Goes there. And if you listen for the power on here with phone. I'm going to plug it in here. Here we go. Okay, this is 100% charged, but you can see at the top, I can bring that in, it is showing that. A little icon showing it's charging. Same here, got an iPad. Plug it in here. Alright. Let's see if I can get you in the camera. You can see the top icon showing it's charging. So we showed iPad plugging into it and working just fine, as well as the iPhone. There it is. There's the new outlet, 2 USB 3.0 ports. Showed you that it does charge those items just fine, your iPad, iPhone. Haven't tried anything else. That's all I own that I need to plug in at this point, but hopefully the video was helpful to show you how easy it is to install. You get 2 for $30. I'll give you the link in the description. Have any comments, share them down below. We'll be glad to answer them. Have a great day. We appreciate you guys watching. Take care.